Let's mix something today. Let's start with a loose base of plasma gel, something you've thinned out. And I got some like a hot red and a hot green. I haven't, obviously they're dirty, so I haven't used them in a long time. I was like, but I like making something new out of something old. So we're gonna put in the hot red gel polish from Gelaze. Put in a good amount there. It's a very beautiful color still. And then we're gonna add some green. Put in the comments right now what you think we're making or what you think it might come out to be. I'm intrigued what you think it might be. I'm sure you might be wrong. That's the fun part about mixing. Yes. All right, and then we're gonna add some glitter. I think I may have put too much glitter in there, but that's okay. We're gonna add some Gin Fizz from the Pottle Pigments collection. It's like a cool iridescent pigment. Put some of that in there. It's got like a little salt shaker effect, so you don't spill too much, you know? Okie dokie. Glass wand. And here we go. All right, so what do you think it's gonna be, really? Come on, right? Tell me right now. Looks like Christmas. Looks like Christmas. Looks like pink. Looks like corally. I like it. I do like it, but I think it may need a little bit more of green. That's right. Okay, so if you decide to make this mix, you already know that it should be 1 part of that hot red and 3 parts green. And I'm telling you this because I think that you're really gonna get addicted to making this color, because a lot of your clients might actually ask for this color. I know you're thinking right now, why would my clients ask for this color? It's ugly. Keep watching. All right, here we go. We got the green in there, and it is the best nude ever. What do you think? Are you surprised? Are you surprised? I want you to be surprised. Anyway, isn't it nice? I think I love it. Oh, I think we got to put some more Gin Fizz in it. Just a little bit more. And remember, when you're using Pottle, it's really about your creativity. Empower yourself to make something new. I don't always have to get something new out of the store. Like I said, I have exactly what I need in my arsenal of color already. So we're mixing it. Okay, how many people, leave in the comments, how many people love this color? Okay, we're gonna close up the bottle. Ta-da, I love it. Stick the brush in the cap. That's always important to do, by the way. And add your mixing marbles. Now, actually, this concoction, I think that I put too much glitter in. So if you ever like mix something and it's a little too thick, that's literally the only thing that you did wrong. Nothing else you did wrong. But I can tell because of the streaks. The streaks is what get it. I'm just like, it's grainy. It's not the best. And I did cure it between coats. And so I was just like, but this was the very last one. I was like, I need to really put it on here. And then I cured that one. And I think that's about it. And you can still see like the glitter in it. I think it's a very beautiful color. I see the little glitter in it and a bit of the shimmer from the Gin Fizz. I love it. Cured it, and then I'm gonna finish with a luster top coat. And that's gonna be it, you guys. Of course, I gotta put some oil on my ashy skin. But yeah, that's about it. Tell me if you like it. What do you think? Thank you as well. Thank you so much. Leave things in the comments. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching.